Today, we're diving into one of the sleekest, most innovative folding e-bikes on the market, the Gocycle G4. Is this the ultimate commuter e-bike, or is it just another high-end gadget? Let's find out. The Gocycle G4 is a head-turner. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but every element serves a functional purpose. The frame is a combination of 3 different materials: aluminum at the front, a carbon fiber midframe, and Gocycle's patented magnesium clean drive at the rear. Why? Because each material is optimized for strength, weight, and performance. The folding mechanism? Super smooth. This bike collapses into a compact size, making it perfect for city apartments, boats, or even the trunk of your car. At 17.6 kilograms, it's not the lightest folding e-bike out there, but it's definitely manageable for short carries. But it's not just about looks. This thing rides like a dream. The G4 drive motor delivers a smooth and quiet ride with impressive torque for its size. And despite its small wheels, the bike feels stable and comfortable, thanks to its automotive-inspired adjustable riding position. One of the most impressive things? The power delivery. Gocycle has dialed in the motor to give you an instant yet controlled boost, making city commuting a breeze. And with a range of up to 40 miles, the G4 is more than capable of handling daily rides without constant charging. Gocycle didn't stop at just making a great e-bike. The G4 integrates smart tech like an F1-inspired LED dash and Bluetooth connectivity with the Gocycle Connect app. You can tweak power settings, check battery life, and even track your rides. Plus, the built-in daytime running light, DRL, enhances visibility. Safety first, right? Now, no bike is perfect. While the G4 is lighter than some competitors at nearly 18 kilograms, it's not exactly featherweight. If you need to carry it up multiple flights of stairs daily, you might feel the burn. Also, while the suspension is decent, small wheels mean you'll still feel some bumps on rough roads. And then there's the price. The Gocycle G4 is definitely a premium product. At $4,999, it's not a budget-friendly option. But considering its build quality, design, and features, it justifies the cost, especially if you plan to use it as your main commuter bike. So, is the Gocycle G4 the best folding e-bike yet? If you're after a high-end, feature-packed, and stylish folding e-bike that delivers an outstanding riding experience, this is definitely one of the top contenders. What do you think? Would you invest in the Gocycle G4? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech reviews.